An Italian chef taught me this complete lunch recipe. In a bowl, I'll add 2 grated carrots, half a grated cabbage, parsley to taste, 2 grated potatoes, 4 eggs, and mix all these ingredients well. And before I forget, let me know what city you're watching from so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Eric Miller from Fort Collins, Colorado. I'm so happy you're enjoying our recipes. Now I'll add a 1/4 cup of oil, a 1/4 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chimichurri, 4 tablespoons of wheat flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and mix everything really well. Guys, this recipe is super easy to make. It's a big hit at home. It's healthy, nutritious, and the flavor is amazing. I'm sure you'll love making it for your family. It's a perfect recipe for anyone who doesn't eat meat and a great option to mix up your daily meals. Now I'll transfer everything to a baking dish, already greased with a bit of olive oil. I'll spread it evenly to make it nice and smooth. And I'll bake it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. After that time, I've taken it out of the oven, and now let's give it that special touch. For that, we'll top it with shredded mozzarella cheese. Then back to the oven just to brown the top. Look how beautiful it looks. Just looking at it makes you want to taste it. Imagine how amazing it must taste. Tell me if you have any healthy lunch recipes. I'd love to hear them.